For centuries, we've looked back at medieval cooking as a chaotic mess of rotten meat, heavy spices to hide the stench, and dangerous alchemy. In fact, many of these techniques were eventually banned or mocked by modern culinary schools. But here's the twist: molecular biologists and food scientists are now looking at these exact same primitive methods and realizing we were wrong. From using toxic-looking molds to poisonous clay, these 10 banned medieval tricks weren't just lucky guesses, they were pure scientific genius that we're only just starting to understand. Today, we're uncovering the medieval cooking secrets that are making a massive comeback in high-end science labs. 1. The buried butter bog butter. The myth: people thought peasants buried butter in dirt because they lacked salt. The science: researchers found that the peat bogs provided an anaerobic, acidic, and cool environment. This didn't just preserve the butter, it chemically altered it into a high probiotic, shelf-stable superfood that rivals modern fermentation. 2. Verjuice, the acid king. The trick: using the juice of unripened, trash, grapes instead of vinegar. The genius: modern chefs realize verjuice contains malic acid rather than acetic acid. It brightens food without the harsh, chemical burn of vinegar, preserving the delicate enzymes in meat. 3. Ash curing, the original lie. The trick: covering cheese and meat in wood ash. The science: it looks dirty, but ash is highly alkaline. It creates a pH shield that kills Listeria and E. coli while allowing good mold to thrive. It's the original food safety tech. 4. Spit roasting versus oven baking. The trick: open flame, constant rotation. The genius: scientists call this radiant heat optimization. Unlike an oven that steams meat in its own vapor, the constant rotation of a spit creates a specific version of the Maillard reaction that develops deeper flavor profiles through continuous fat basting. 5. The toxic clay pot seal. The trick: sealing pots with a flour and water lute paste until it's rock hard. The genius: this creates a primitive pressure cooker. It forces collagen to break down into gelatin at much lower temperatures, resulting in the melt-in-your-mouth texture modern slow cookers try, and often fail, to replicate. Which of these sounds the most disgusting so far? Tell me in the comments. You'll be surprised how many of these are actually used in 3 Michelin star restaurants today. 6. Saffron is a preservative. Not just for color, it's a powerful antioxidant that prevents fat oxidation. 7. Animal bladders is sous vide. The original plastic-free vacuum seal. 8. Bread as a thickener. Using stale bread instead of flour, butter, roux keeps sauces stable at higher heats. 9. Rosewater sanitization. More than a perfume, it has mild antimicrobial properties for hand washing between courses. 10. Sand boiling. Using hot sand to provide perfectly even heat for delicate eggs. We spent 200 years trying to sanitize our kitchens, but in the process, we lost the deep chemical intuition our ancestors had. These 10 tricks aren't just myths, they are the foundation of modern food science. Next time you see a new culinary trend, remember, a medieval monk probably did it first in a basement with a pile of ash and a clay pot. If you want to see us actually try one of these dangerous medieval recipes using modern lab equipment to test the bacteria levels, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the science of history.